Hey guys, this is Xamarin guys. So in this tutorial we are going to create web view phone caller app, and the idea behind it is whenever we click any phone number in our website, then it should navigate to our native phone caller. So let's create a new application giving its name as web view phone caller, and then we'll be using .NET standard project. We'll give name for our web view as my web view, and then we'll place it at center, and then we'll give height request as you may like as per the requirement of the given page. So we'll be creating a navigating event handler over here so that we could track all the event process that is happening whenever the web page is loading. Now I'll close that web view. Then we'll install NuGet package, that is our jam.plugins.messaging, so that we could get native caller out of the string whenever it is passed. Now we'll go to code behind of our main page so that we can render some actions inside it. Now we'll call the same name that we have given for our web view as my web view source, and then this will be a string part that will be called from our website. So this is my website, or it might be your client's website, and inside that contact part we'll set a new phone number. Using anchor tag, I have created a new phone number from the admin side so that whenever this new phone number is clicked, then the same website along with the phone number is going to be displayed. So we'll parse that given phone number out of our given website. So in order to gain that website access, we'll go to the admin part of same website. Now we'll go to admin part of test website that might be hosted on any platform. Here I am using WordPress for hosting my website, and inside pages, and the look and feel of your website might be different. So we'll be going to contacts page, and here you can see I have set label with anchor tag for the given phone number. So for this demonstration we'll be creating another label which will represent another phone number, and this phone number will be parsing it through our given website. So we'll be changing its number as any number you may like, so that our phone dialer will call this string value after parsing it. That's all. Now we'll update our website so that it is visible inside our contact page. Now our website contains test phone number. We'll be calling this website now inside my web view.source, and then we'll remove that. Whenever this web view is navigating, then I'll be taking its last element. So e.url, then last index of the given item, that is our given phone number. So string space user phone number is equals to e.url.substring. Then we'll be taking the separator integer value, and then we'll be incrementing with the value of 1 so that we could take that last element out of our given web view source. So whenever user phone number is not null, then we'll be calling our phone dialer as cross messaging dot phone dialer, and then we'll be passing our given string value inside it, that is phone dialer dot make phone call, and then we'll be returning our user phone number inside it. That's all. Now here we'll give web view height request as anything you may like. You can place that web view inside grid view so that you will get a full featured web view. So we'll be running our Android project at first, and for iOS it needs a real device for displaying your website phone dialer. So our project is up and running. Let's see whether it gives us successful output or not. Okay, we got our web view at first, and then if you go down below the given website, this is the test phone number that we have set at last. Now if I click on this link, then it should call our native phone dialer. That's it. That's all for this tutorial now. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Keep in touch for next tutorials.